Hello guys, welcome to bbtech, where we seek to promote and review technological innovations. Today I'm so much happy because there is this thing I wanted to be done from Kantanka automobiles, and then God being so good, I'm glad that this week I've seen something very beautiful from them, and that is a website. Over the years, I was always complaining about them not having a website to show the world what the cars have and some of the stuff that people don't really know about Kantanka automobiles. Talking about the vehicles, they have the models and the names for them and then stuff like that. Within this week, I was surfing the internet, and then I saw Kantanka Automobile, published their new website, which is so very beautiful, very incredible. And then kudos to them, because this is very nice. Because I had a problem, and the problem was that automobile company that has no website, how do people, purchase their product? And so I was even talking about, people from the United States, from the Norway, from UK. There's no way you can tell them to just fly all the way to your showrooms and then, check out the vehicles, the models you have, and the properties before they get to know what they want to choose. So I think this one is better, because once people, log onto the website, it's easy for them to, pass through informations, get to know more about the vehicles they want to purchase, and then even get to know the property, get to know, talking about the mileage, talking about speed of the cars, talking about the interior design, the exterior designs, and the whole lot. This is incredible thing that they have done, and I'm saying that kudos to them once again. It's very great. But one thing that I've noticed is that I think the website is still under construction, because I know Kantanka has a whole lot of vehicles, but I can only see only two vehicles over there, which is Kantanka Mensa and the Kantanka Omama Luxury. So I think that the website is still under construction, because they have K71, they have Onante4, and then they have the rest. They even have the aeroplane car, and then the rest. So I think that as time goes on, they are going to bring those cars on board, so that people will get to choose, or people will have a lot of varieties to choose from. I'm very grateful, and then I'm very glad that they've been able to initiate this. They've been able to bring a website that is going to talk more about the vehicle, so that people don't really come to their showrooms to check out the vehicles before they get to know what they want to buy. This is great. But there's this thing I think they should continue doing. I know when it comes to promotion is best. To sell something, marketing is very, very important when it comes to businesses, and then when it comes to companies, when it comes to institutions. And any institution that does not or do not market themselves, becomes very hard for people to see them or for people to know them, because you can't tell me you're a company but don't have a platform whereby you get to sell yourself, where you get to sell your product, let people know the kind of thing that you have, the ones that you don't have. Actually, you have to let people know what your things can do and what it cannot do. So I think that having a website or having a platform where you used to sell your product or exhibit your product is very important. So what I'm saying is that we are Ghanaians, I know that we all love to buy a Toyota, we all love to buy Hyundai, Bugatti, we have Ferraris, we have Mercedes-Benz, we have Honda, all of them. These cars are cars that are being marketed, they are being promoted. People are taking upon themselves to promote these cars, these vehicles. And I'm sure that we Ghanaians, we love these vehicles because of the promotions. You don't get to fly all the way to Japan, fly all the way to US to go and check out a Toyota model, or even check Tesla model. Once that you get to their website, you get to know everything that you want to know about the vehicles. So I think that it's very, very important for us at a technological company. You get a platform whereby you tell people what you have and what you don't have, what it can do and what it cannot do. So this is one thing. This is one of the biggest challenges I have with Ghanaians. I know that we have incredible technological companies that needs to market themselves very well, because we have to purchase our made in Ghana goods. we have to purchase our made in Ghana goods. And then if you want people to, patronize your product, you have to market them. And once you stop marketing, then that means that you are trying to say that people should stop buying your product, or people shouldn't even buy your product. Because I think there are a lot of companies that are doing so well, but people don't really know them because they are not marketing. So Ghanaians, I think that if you're a technological company who is coming up or who has been existent for long, please, what I'm saying is that we should try our possible best to promote our technological innovation so that people in Ghana will know that we have things in Ghana that are being invented over here. Or even, I know we have people in US, in UK, and people in Nigeria, Togo, who loves our made in Ghana stuff. Even though I'm talking about tech, but I'm sure that if our foods, if our clothing, if our artifacts are being marketed very well, I'm sure people will, come all the way here to, purchase these kind of things or patronize these kind of things. So it's very important when it comes to marketing. Is very important. And as a young man, the most important thing for me right now is to promote our made in Ghana goods, is to promote our technological innovation. That is the biggest thing that I have, that is like my priority at the moment right now. Because I know that, Ghanaians, we don't really promote our made in Ghana goods. That is why I'm using Kantanka as an example, because I believe that Kantanka is doing extraordinary things. Over the news, I heard that they want to, manufacture 500 vehicles every month to, support Ghanaians, or maybe for Ghanaians to be able to purchase them and then work with them and stuff like that. I haven't really looked into that story, but I'm sure that as time goes, I'm going to follow the story and bring you all the updates, that it concerns that kind of story. And I'm going to do my possible best to bring it to you guys so that you guys will know that Kantanka is actually getting themselves into something very good or a serious business. Before I continue, I want you guys to know that I haven't received any promotion from Kantanka Automobiles. I think it's high time somebody promote our made in Ghana technological innovation, because it's very important that we promote things that belongs to us. I'm not saying we shouldn't promote things that are from other countries. We should do, but we shouldn't try. We shouldn't forget to promote our own things. It's very important, guys. Before I go, I'm going to leave a link that will direct you guys to Kantanka Automobiles official website. You guys don't forget to comment over there and share the website for others to know as well, because they have a whole lot of things going there right now. Even though the website is under construction, but I think that everybody has to go and see it. Thank you to my camera person, Bone Creative. You guys can look for him on Instagram. He's on Instagram as Bone Creative Studios. He's doing very well. And please, guys, don't forget to press the subscribe button to help me do this. I'm going to try my possible best to bring you, insights, stories that are concerning, or video that are concerning. I'm going to try my possible best to review technological innovation, being it phone, laptops, vehicles, everything that concerns tech. I'm going to review it here on bbtech. So I want you guys to subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button so that anything that I post, you'll be the first person to receive it, because you can't afford to miss anything that I'm going to post on this platform, because this platform is going to be insightful, it's going to be very fun, it's going to be entertaining, it's going to be everything that you guys love, because I'm going to do this with you, and then him, her, she, your father, and your mother. We're going to do all this together to promote our made in Ghana innovations. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share and leave a comment, like or dislike. Anyhow, it's gonna help me do this and do it very well. Thank you guys. Bye bye.